Okay, so we look at question number 1c. Okay, we are supposed to expand this particular expression. Okay, so how do you do expansion? Okay, you can do one out of two ways. You can either draw the lines or use the formula. Okay, for this one you can only draw the lines. Okay, so let us demonstrate. Let us see how can we expand this. First, you draw a line from here to here. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that you take x and you multiply it to 7. X times 7 will give you should write like this, 7x. Okay, so the number in front of the algebra. Okay, so x times 7 will give you 7x. Write it there. Okay, and what do you do next? The next thing you do is you draw the next line. So x goes to 7. The next line, x will goes to negative 5x. Remember, the sign in front belongs to the number itself. So what is this? Let us write here at the side here and see what we get. X multiplied by negative 5x. What will this give me? Okay, remember, positive number multiplied to a negative number. Okay, they are different. Positive times negative, okay, or negative times positive. Okay, as long as these two are different and they are multiplied together, I will get a negative answer. Okay, so a positive x multiplied to negative x, this will give me a negative answer. Okay, so x times 5x is my negative 5x squared. Okay, because x times x will give me x squared. Okay, here I have 1, right? 1 times x times 5 here will give me 5, and this negative is this one. So x times negative 5x will give me negative 5x squared. So I write here negative 5x squared. Okay, next we see any more from x? No. Okay, x I have distributed to both of this. So the next one I will get is I draw a line from 7 to 7. So what is 7 times 7? Use your calculator to check. This is 49. Okay, a positive 49. So I plus my 49. Okay, and finally we take a 7 and multiply to negative 5x. What we get is 7 multiplied to our negative 5x. And okay, again I have a positive number multiplied to a negative number, so I should expect a negative answer. Okay, so negative right there first. 7 times 5 will give me 35, and then x here. Okay, don't forget this x. So my answer is negative 35x, so I write this here, negative 35x. Okay, this is not our final answer yet. Okay, we need to kind of like group the similar terms together. Okay, so let us see what we have. Okay, x squared term, I only have one, negative 5x squared. There's only one, no more other x squared term, so I just copy it down here and I cross it out so that I don't confuse myself. Okay, next I look for my x term. I have 7x and negative 35x. How do I combine these two together? Okay, so I have 7x and a minus 35x. Okay, so if you remember in my notes, okay, what do I say? I say that if you have a smaller number minus away a bigger number, how can you write this as? You can write this as negative 35x minus 7x. Okay, so if you have a smaller number minus a bigger number, okay, you can rearrange it. 7 minus 35, you can write 35 minus 7, but you must introduce a minus outside the bracket. Okay, so what is 35 minus 7? Okay, 35 minus 7 is 28. Use your calculator to check. So this minus we must include, and 35 minus 7 will give me 28x. Okay, so I have evaluated 7x minus 7x minus 35x will give me negative 28x. Negative 28x right here, and this one cancel. Okay, finally plus 49. No other friends, so I just copy it down and I cancel out. Any more? No more. Okay, this is my final answer.